Hong Kong, a global city where East meets West. With strong ties to Chinese mainland and links to the world, Hong Kong plays a vital role as a superconnector, a bridge linking innovation, culture, and academia across continents. With world-class universities and an international outlook, it is one of Asia's most dynamic destinations for global talent and future leaders. At the heart of this diverse and dynamic city, a well-known institution stands out, dedicated to industry-focused education and empowering the future through applied science. The Technological and Higher Education Institute of Hong Kong, THEi, offers more than 20 applied science-oriented bachelor's and master's programs aligned with industry needs. At THEi, we combine academic knowledge with practical industry experience. Let's go beyond theory together.
Here, we learn by doing. At THEi, we don't just study knowledge, we apply them.
That's what makes the THEi experience different. I'm building practical skills and experiences that employers look for. I believe I can make a real impact here and graduate with the confidence and knowledge to contribute from day one.
Here, we learn by interacting. What's a lot here is the learning environment.
Advanced facilities, creative spaces, and professional equipment that support our projects. Across disciplines, we're encouraged to explore through creativity, innovation, and discovery.
Here we learn by experience. THEi provides real-world opportunities,
including enterprise and startup competitions that help us step beyond campus. Through work-integrated learning, we apply what we have learned in THEi and real workplaces. It builds experience, confidence, and professional insight so we understand what it takes to succeed.
By graduation, we are already one step ahead, ready to work, ready to make an international impact. Study in Hong Kong, study at THEi.